Nature's fury in the mountains. Himachal is battling a massive flood after relentless downpours. The Beas River has turned into a furious force, unleashing severe flooding. With water levels rising dangerously, bringing in flash floods and landslides. The devastation has claimed multiple lives and left many others missing. In the midst of this chaos, rescue teams have managed to save dozens. As the rain shows no signs of stopping, fear and uncertainty grip the region. A red alert has been sounded for the region. All educational institutions have been closed. The flash floods have inflicted severe damage on a hydroelectric power project in Mandi, washing away key parts of its infrastructure.
There's an increase in water level. The Beas River is flowing at 1,57,000 cubic water. The dam conveyed this information that water is being released, and also the people here are advised with a public announcement that they should move to the safer place. Next 24 to 48 hours is a major concern for the people. Advisory being issued by the local administration.
In Hamirpur, a rescue operation was launched to evacuate residents stranded in flooded areas.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.